Trader Joe's just dropped the cuttest thing ever and people are going crazy for it. You've probably seen it on TikTok or Instagram already. Yep. I'm talking about the mini tote bag that's taking over the internet. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something small, cute, and totally trending, the Trader Joe's mini tote bag. Whether you're already obsessed or just hearing about it for the first time, stay with me because this little tote has a big story. So, let's start with the basics. Trader Joe's, known for its quirky branding and fun grocery finds, released this tiny canvas tote bag and people are loving it. It looks exactly like their regular grocery tote, but mini-sized. We're talking about super cute, very affordable, around $2.99, and totally collectible. Honestly, it's the perfect mix of practical and playful. Feels kind of retro and chic at the same time. And it just makes people say, "Ah." But the real reason people are obsessed, it's all over TikTok, Instagram, and even resale sites where it's being flipped for up to $20 or more. Yes, a $3 bag is selling out like hotcakes. You're probably thinking, okay, it's cute, but what do I do with it? Here are a few fun ideas. Use it as a lunch bag, gift bag for birthdays or holidays, makeup bag or snack pouch, a stylish way to carry dog treats, kids' toys, or wallet and keys on the go. Some people even use it as a plant holder at home for decor. It's literally the most multi-purpose mini bag you'll ever see. That's the tricky part. Right now, they're available only in select Trader Joe's stores. They come in different colors like red, navy, and green, but they sell out super fast, sometimes in just a few hours. So, your best bet. Visit your local Trader Joe's early in the day or keep checking in regularly. Some stores restock weekly. Some people are even calling their local stores to ask when new ones will arrive. Ask employees when they restock. Go early before noon. If you see it, grab it. It might not be there tomorrow. Only $2.99. So grab a few if you can. So, is the Trader Joe's mini tote worth the hype? Honestly, yes. It's cute, useful, and crazy affordable. Plus, it makes a great gift for literally anyone. If you see it, don't even think twice, just grab it. And if you already have one, let me know in the comments how you use yours. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your Trader Joe's loving friends. See you in the next one.